Creating an account on MEXC is a straightforward process that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies easily. Follow these steps to set up your account. Step 1. Visit the MEXC website. Go to the official MEXC website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button. Locate the Sign Up button on the home page. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Fill in your information. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from MEXC. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. Step 5. Complete additional security steps. After verifying your email, log into your account. You may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. Follow the instructions to enable 2FA, which will help protect your account. Now you have successfully created your MEXC account and can start trading. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure and stay updated on any platform changes.